How to install and disassemble vinyl planks. Installation. You drop and lock the floor panels together. The installation process used in this film includes the use of 2 planks as an alignment guide. So, let's begin. First, use a full-length plank and place it against the wall. No need for any spacers just yet. Next, take another full-length plank and angle it to plank 0. This is row number 1. Continue with another full-length plank after plank 1. Connect the long sides with plank 0 at an angle and drop against 1. Use a hard PVC mallet to lock and secure the outer corner of the short side first. Proceed with a full-length plank 3. Angle in with plank number 2. This ensures perfect alignment. Take another full-length plank 4. Connect the long sides with plank number 3 at an angle and drop with plank number 2. Use a tape measure to calculate your cut. Mark the section that you need to cut with a pencil. Place your framing square along the line you want to cut. Use a cutter knife to cut halfway through your vinyl plank. Snap the excess vinyl off by bending the plank over your knee. Flip your board over and make a clean cut using the cutter knife. Use half a plank 5 and angle into plank number 1. Make sure the short sides are aligned. Take a full-length plank 6, drop, and lock. To finish the second row, take plank 7, drop, and lock. Check for any gaps or height differences. Remove plank 0 and plank 3 from row number 0 by angling them out. Use spacers to create an expansion space of 5 mm, 0.2 inches. Complete installation before removing spacers. Gently slide rows 1 and 2 towards the spacers. From row 3 onwards, installation does not require a specific laying pattern. Remove spacers when installation is complete. To finish the last row, measure the distance from the wall to the last installed row, -5 mm, 0.2 inches. Mark this measurement with a pencil lengthwise on the plank. Use the tongue side of the plank. Use a cutter knife to cut halfway through the plank lengthwise. Turn the plank over and put your weight on one half. Pull the plank upwards to snap into 2 halves. Continue with the cutter until both halves are free. Angle in the tongue side of the plank lengthwise with your last installed row. Lock the short sides by using the mallet. Finish up the room by placing plinths, molding, and trim. Now, sit back and admire your work. Disassembling. One-piece drop lock makes disassembly really easy. Lift up the entire row at an angle. Slide apart the planks on the short side. Lift the planks to disengage the floor panels. If you cannot slide the panels apart, the short side is not fully engaged. Tap with the mallet to engage. Then slide out and follow the same process. The world's easiest and best flooring installation systems.